Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 15 and 16 of class 8 subject GK. Chapter 15, Presidents of the World. Identify and name the presidents and king of various countries. You can take the help from the hint box. So, first it is Afghanistan. It is Ashraf Ghani. So write ASHRAF Ashraf GHANI Ghani Ashraf Ghani. Now second one, Algeria. So it is Abdelaziz Bouteflika. So write the spelling ABDELAZIZ BOUTEFLIKA. Next one, Sri Lanka. It is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. So write GOTABAYARAJAPAKSA. Fourth one, it is of Bangladesh. So it is Abdul Hamid. So write the spelling ABDUL Abdul HAMID Hamid Abdul Hamid. Fifth one, it is Turkey. Recep Tayyip Erdogan. So write RECEP Recep TAYYIP Tayyip ERDOGAN. Sixth one, it is of Russia. It is Vladimir Putin. So write VLADIMIR PUTIN. Seventh one, it is India. He is Ram Nath Kovind. RAMNATHKOVIND Kovind. Eighth one, it is China. It is 11 Jinping. So write XIGINPING. Last one, ninth, it is USA. He is Donald Trump. DONALD Did you know George Washington was the first president of USA? Coming to the chapter number 16. Read the forever greats. Read the given description and try to identify these great personalities. He was an English naturalist, geologist and biologist best known for his contributions to the science of evolution. He introduced a scientific theory that this branching pattern of evolution results from a process that he called natural selection. So answer is Charles Darwin. So write CHARLES Charles DARWIN Charles Darwin. Second one, he was one of the greatest painters. His portrait Mona Lisa and his religious painting The Last Supper rank amongst the most famous pictures ever printed. He is Leonardo da Vinci. So write LEONARDO Leonardo Vinci. Third one, he was an American inventor and a businessman who developed and made commercially available many key inventions of modern life. He is Thomas Edison. So write THOMAS Thomas EDISON. Fourth one, she was a well-known children's educationalist who became the first woman in Italy to earn a degree in medicine. She is Maria Montessori. So write MARIA Maria MONTESSORI Montessori. Now, he was a film producer, media magnate and co-founder of the Walt Disney Company. He was an iconic figure in the 12th century media and entertainment industry, helping to produce many films. He is Walt Disney. WALT Walt DISNEY. Did you know Catherine II was the Empress of Russia and is often called the Great? She ruled Russia for 34 years. So children, you are going to complete your chapter number 15 and 16 in your textbook on page 20 and 21. So thank you.